Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the PassFab channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of forgetting your iPhone passcode using an iPhone unlocker. The unlocking process is simple and only requires 4 steps to regain access to your iPhone. First, you'll need to connect your iPhone to your computer using an original data cable. Then, launch PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it in the description below the video. Click on Unlock iOS screen and then follow the instructions provided by iPhone Unlock to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Choose according to your iPhone model. If your iPhone is iPhone 8 or above, you need to press the volume up and down buttons, then hold down the power button for 20 seconds. Your iPhone will shut down and enter recovery mode. If your iPhone is iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you need to hold the volume down and power buttons. Keep holding them for about 20 seconds and your iPhone will shut down and enter recovery mode. If your iPhone is iPhone 6s or older, you need to hold the home and power buttons. Again, hold them for about 20 seconds and your iPhone will enter recovery mode. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iPhone Unlock will provide the latest iOS firmware suitable for your device. You can change the new download path if you wish. Then, click Download. Wait for the iOS firmware to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, you can click Start to remove. This will begin the process of removing your iPhone's lock screen passcode. The process may take around 10 minutes, so please be patient. After the lock screen removal is complete, your iPhone will be in a reset state. You'll need to set up your iPhone. If you encounter the iPhone activation lock page, you'll need to verify and activate it using your Apple ID. Once you complete the iPhone setup, you can use your iPhone normally. That's all for the iPhone Unlocker. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.